There are three variables for this experiment. The first variable is the constant variable, which is the duration of time for each flow. The manipulated variable, which is the type of the flows. And the last one, the responding variable, which is the volume of water taken for each flow.
First of all, we need to adjust the inflow so that we fill the tank. Then we need to adjust the overflow so that the tank will not full and overflow the water. Then after we fill the tank, we need to open the dye reservoir. And then we need to adjust the outflow to make sure the dye in position laminar, turbulent or transitional.
To calculate our flow, which is transition, turbulent and laminar, we use the expected time. For the transitional flow, we use the expected time of 20 seconds as our constant variable, even though it doesn't match but as 20 seconds exactly, but we use the estimated time of 20 seconds. For the laminar, it is also 20 seconds, and for the turbulent is 15 seconds. To calculate each of our flow, first we open the inflow to make sure we open the outflow to make sure the water we open the outflow to make sure the water flow to the sink, and after that we use our beaker to put the outflow water in it. We put the outflow water in the beaker and calculate each of the time, which is 20 seconds for the transition and laminar, but for the turbulent is 15 seconds. After each of the timers has reached, we put the beaker on the table and calculate each of the volume that has been poured into the beaker, and we put the data information into our turbulent data.
For the expected result, you're supposed to get the laminar value in Reynolds number, which is 2,300, while the transition flow is around 2,300 until 4,000 of Reynolds number value. And the last one is turbulent, which is we're supposed to get around 4,000 of the Reynolds number value. For safety measure, the things that we have to be aware of is the use of this apparatus, which is we have to make sure the water flow doesn't reach above the limit, so it doesn't get to overflow. And also we have to be careful with handling the apparatus, which is this beaker, so there is no broken apparatus. And also we have to be careful with the faucets, so each of the hose doesn't get any leakage. And I think that is all for safety measure.